I proceeded to unbox all those things. This is the blanket we bought. We bought mosquito net and some blanket were still remaining into that bag, so I had to like remove them from the bag, and I proceeded to place them in their respective places. You all know I like putting my things in an attractive order. So these are the flower vases we got from the market. I proceeded to change their bags because the other one the other bag it was in, it's torn, so I placed these ones in a new bag. Then my sister unboxed the wallpapers we got. You always sell wallpapers, so there are a lot of things in your house that you need that we sell. You guys should patronize me. We are true brand. We know they disappoint, we they deliver. So I proceeded to unbox our bedsheet here. I brought them out. You can see they have different beautiful colors. I brought our towels. These are nice towels that we sell. You guys should patronize. We have thick and flexible towels. I decided to entertain you guys with small dance. Anyways, I continued. I placed this bedsheet in their attractive order in their respective places, and I proceeded to place the towels and other things. And see you in my next video. Bye for now. I love you all. Mwah, mwah, mwah.